Hey, welcome to Pinchin Projects. My name is Belle, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Dollar Tree pencil case, personalized pencil case for just $1. But before we get into it, make sure that you're subscribed and click that bell and that you smash that like button so you don't miss any more high-end creations on a shoestring budget. Let's get into it. To get started, you're going to need a pencil case. I picked this one up at the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some vinyl. I'm using some scrap vinyl from my stash in the color mint, and also some transfer tape. Not to worry if you don't have a cutting machine. Simply just go to Etsy, type in Name Decal. As you can see, there's many people that do it for $1, $2, $3 plus free shipping, and you can get different fonts and different colors. To start, I'm going to remove everything from the pencil pouch. Then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol, put it on my paper napkin, and I really want to clean the surface, get all the dirt and the grime off. That way our vinyl will stick really well. After that, I'm going to take my vinyl and I cut out my name using Alyssa script on Cricut Design Space. So I'm just going to cut away the excess and then I'm going to start weeding it. Now taking your transfer tape, we're going to place it onto the vinyl. Then I'm going to take my scraper and starting with the front, just scraping it all down, making sure that it is holding onto the vinyl. And I like to scrape the front and then scrape the back, ending with the back, that way you get a good transfer. Then I'm going to peel off the backing and then I'm going to stick it onto the pouch. I'm just going to kind of eyeball it in the center, and before you start pressing down, I just like to look at it to make sure, and then I'll go in with my scraper and scrape it all down. Once I get all scraped down, I'm going to peel off the transfer tape nice and slow and make sure that everything is sticking to the pencil pouch. Then I like to take the backing and put it back on there and then scrape over it once again just to make sure that everything is stuck on there. Then that is literally it. You're done. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video by giving me a big thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. Also, make sure that you subscribe and that you click that bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video where I show you how to make a fabric pencil case for just $2. So make sure you subscribe and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!